So?
About 2/10.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, better than nothing.
Don told me last night, Mike Mays, our meteorologist, says 2 weeks of not refreshing.
That's right.
Not horrible heat,
No, not
but not low humidity 50s nights. Yeah, it's just going to be sort of fall, but not like really fall.
Right.
I want 50s.
I understand.
Marty, you go back and eat with Morris. Stripe likes his own bowl. Marty likes whatever bowl anybody else has. Hi, sweetheart. My little ankle rubber. You always know where he is when you're outside because he's right at your legs. That's just how he is. Good morning, Tux. How are you, buddy? Hi. Yeah, Tux has a little bit of the nom nom, which is real chicken and liver. And whatever he doesn't eat, which is typically a little bit, goes down for the rest of them. And this is not no non-Cadillac food right here either. It's one of those wellness core foods, High Mart, which they had some on top of theirs also. Try to feed them some better quality food in the morning. That's when they're hungriest and there's the least likely to be waste on the more expensive food. Well, with the leaves down, it's definitely starting to look like fall. The tulip poplars are always first. Those are the yellow leaves out there. These guys are all here and doing well this morning. The hornets have been a real problem in the cat food bowls for the last few days. So I like for these guys to eat, and then they really don't eat that much again until after dark, when the hornets kind of go away for the evening. They're not very active at night. Thank you, Nani.
Yep.
We'll be back, Jules. I stopped to pick up a couple pieces of trash up near the street, get them in the trash can. It rained overnight, as we said, 2/10 of an inch. Not raining right now. Not super sticky, but certainly not refreshing. I notice a good bit of stuff has already come down over here since yesterday. Well, with the oak tree right there, that's just what's going to happen. It's still much better than it was. And for fall, I certainly don't expect it to stay perfect. Notice this house, and then notice the fence going up to those houses. Somebody mowed that hill, and pretty recently too. And I know about hills and mowing, and that's no easy feat. And it looks like they went side to side, which I guess is the right answer there, because that'd be pretty steep going up and down. But I'm guessing that was one of those zero-turn monsters to be able to do that job like that. Like I said, it even could have been done yesterday. I couldn't swear it, but it's pretty freshly cut. Looks nice. I wouldn't want the kudzu right up to my fence if I had the resources, time, money, stamina, whatever, to get her mowed on the other side, at least for a 10-foot. That's a pretty substantial amount of mow there. And since it's not mowed on every other side, I'm guessing the town didn't do it. Certainly not. Do you see the baby? Probably not. I'm moving where it's behind this kudzu now. There's at least 2 of them. There we go. Good morning. 3. That one still had some spots over there with Mama. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Painting the lines over here. And the guy's out here with the little tractor dragging the field. Smoothing it out for the painter over here. Must be have game scheduled tonight. Hopefully their prep work won't get messed up by afternoon showers, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Our exercise companions are out there this morning. I see one new person. That's great. I see she's varying the routine with some different arm exercises there again also. Gives me ideas. Well, we ran 4 or 5 times today. So hopefully our time is pretty good. There's a little breeze coming down the trail right there at the end that felt awesome also.
Okay, 5,602 steps, 47:54.
Ooh, that's a good time.
Yeah, 2.66 miles. Ooh, 18 minutes flat.
Woo!
Per mile, so we did good.
Be faster next time by 2 seconds per mile.
Yeah, you broke into the 17s if you'd have done that.
Yep.
Yeah, that would be great. And so anyway, we're pretty good.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, well, I got to get back to the house. No 8:30 call today or 9:30 call. It's tomorrow. They've moved it one day. So hopefully
so you go run today instead of, you know, not tomorrow.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you back at the house.
All right, I'll be there shortly because I'm meeting Michelle for shopping.
Okay.
And I got to get a shower and get out the door.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, kiss. Well, today's an instance of where I didn't charge my phone properly. And it's dead. It died playing Pokemon Go on the trail. And I do have the key card and the flip belt around my waist, and I'm not experiencing any trouble getting in, but hopefully I can get in and I won't have to walk home. It wouldn't be a bad thing except on the day I'm meeting Michelle when I don't have the extra 15 minutes to spare. They're getting their jam on this morning. I get it. Like I said, I would put my worry at about 5% on getting in. Shouldn't be a problem because I tested the key card the other day. I heard it unlock. No? I think the key card, it's on the back side. So I've leaned up against the door now. It's not on. Yeah. All right, so now we're sliding the flip belt around to the front. Put it up close to the car. Oh, it's really not going to let me in. No, this can't be happening. No. Let me get it out. All right. Oh, come on. I saw you move. Unlocked. It says it's unlocked. Phew. So I just had to move it closer to the car, which I haven't been having to do, is maybe my phone's really been the one unlocking it. It is 10:22 and I am on time and on my way to meet Michelle. I think we mentioned last time we were in there together that today is a special raise money for Alzheimer's kickoff. The next 2 months, Miss Laura's trying to get $10,000 to donate. And everything in the store is 20% off today except for clothes, which are 10%. And I guess that must mean jewelry and furniture at the 20%, but we'll see. So Michelle and I have altered our day to go because we can. It doesn't mean I won't be back later in the week, but yeah, we certainly can do our part today. So it'll probably be a little more crowded than normal. Although seniors get 10% discount on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So it's only an extra 10% for them today. And military and first responders get 10% every day, which Michelle qualifies for that. So, you know, but it's still, every little bit helps. And it helps them to feel like they had a good day, you know, a big a big gross day for profit or for, you know, purchases. So yeah, it'll be fun. Good morning.
Got
Nightmare. Oh, you do? Are those the ones you waited in line for last week?
There was no line. I was there first. These are Freddy Krueger.
Way cool.
And we also have the Shining, the Lost Boys.
Let's see the purse spin. Okay. Way cool.
And then the jewelry, of course.
So which one did Ariel get?
She got the Shining.
Uh-huh.
And she got the Lost Boys. We had to order the Lost Boys. And then Connor, what did he get? He got the Shining too. He got Jason, Voorhees. They're like a loafer kind of. And then he has the Friday the 3rd. Freddy Krueger too.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Well, I have a little something for you.
Oh my God.
You're gonna like it. Yeah, ravens. And there's a couple other things. And there's a vest for Ariel. And
You want me to take that out?
that is it's a mask for Connor.
Oh.
And then that's a glass, it's a face. It's a replacement doll head that's spooky and it's porcelain. This is a replacement doll head and it's spooky, but it's plastic.
I love it.
And then the shirt you weren't sure about last week, it shrunk. It's perfect for Ariel now, but feel free to donate it back.
Ariel will love it.
Yeah, the fringe is cool, but Don and I looked at it and we're like, oh, you know, if it can't stand a regular cold water wash, it's not happening at our house. So,
Yep, exactly.
but it won't shrink anymore now.
Right. I don't know. Wait until I have to wash it.
Right. Let's go have some fun. I'm so excited. Well, that is very pretty. It's an old window. Been painted on an old window. We have been throwing stuff in the cart so fast I can't even record what we've been putting in. But so hold up the guy with the brick.
Oh,
I guess it's a doorstop.
this one?
Yeah.
It has like little mice in there.
It's a cute little doorstop.
Yeah, but it's definitely a brick.
It's a brick. So it seconds as a safety device at your house. Yeah, pick it up and it's a, yeah. New linens, including atomic cats, cute hand towels. This one, Michelle found a great pillow. I didn't even see what was on the pillow. Oh yeah, Raven. She's got linens and a flag and cool stuff too. Not getting it, but that's really, really cute. A poodle skirt costume. Super cute.
Good doggy.
Popeye. That's pretty cute. There's a lot
For
of...
Sunday,
Oh, wow.
banana split.
Huh.
Tigger.
Aww. A taco?
Yes.
Or a hamburger? I guess it's a hamburger, a hot dog.
It's like a taco. Taco.
A pineapple.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, look, Marianne.
Oh, that could be a kitty cat
Yes.
one.
They'll love you.
Yeah, seriously, right? It's continuing to grow. It is, it is. We found Jarvis a great ASPCA dog toy. And I'm not going to get it, but I love this Thomas the Tank Engine little die-cast metals with some Christmas engines in there. That case, I've not seen that before. That's pretty cool. Oh, this looks like a Lego, but it's not marked Lego, and it's empty. We're finding a little bit of everything today, and this is the mermaid find. It's a puppet.
Come, Marianne. Come swim with me into the deep. We shall sing and play with our hair together.
Hilarious. Michelle is such a good sport. A great friend. I almost had myself a pair of New Balance brand new sneakers for $9, but they're a 9.5 and I need a 9 and they're just a little too long. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. I would get it if it wasn't long sleeve, but we're not going to have any cool weather before Halloween. If I decide to haul home a set of dishes today, we're going to have to go get a second cart. We found these really great pair of Crocs for Ariel and a Star Wars shirt for me. It's really cute. And a pair of Skechers. You know, I've been looking for a pair of shoes for when I'm mowing the lawn, and they're really comfy and they're the right size, and I like them well enough. Sometimes you go right past stuff.
What did I miss this time? Oh, that's so mean, Marianne. That's why I have you with me.
Coolest Halloween costume.
Oh, let me see. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. That's like a Disney princess almost.
It's very pretty. Well, Michelle bought me Tux the cat. He was still sitting in there this week and he was 20% off. That was really sweet of her. It's $138, so that was right at 3 hours today. We didn't have to finish up for me to go get Johnny. That's just when we ended. We did the big store first and the little store second today, and that was just so that we wouldn't miss anything at the big store that we had to have. And that was a lot of fun. It was Alzheimer's Awareness Day today, Fuquay-Varina participating, and they were giving out cookies, and I got a cookie for Johnny. Hey there.
Hey there.
We had a good time.
I bet.
They had cookies. And I brought Johnny a couple cookies, and Michelle bought me Tux.
Oh, isn't he cute?
We couldn't leave him there 2 weeks in a row, and at 20% off, she was like, yeah, see,
deal.
Yeah.
So yet another critter on the bed.
Well, I'm going to leave Tux in the car. This is my car cat.
A car cat.
I now have a car cat.
Okay.
Well, the good news is I got the second floor built, and it fits. It fits just like it's supposed to. First try. I would have to say the person that did the layout of the instructions for how to build this floor did a better than average job. The bad news is I decided I want to do purple for the floor, and I don't have enough tiles. I need a lot of square purple tiles. So I will be ordering them, and that will pretty much put me at a stop here because, as I said before, on this building, as I said before, I don't want to build the walls up and then have to work super duper hard to put the floor down. So it would just be best that I wait. Now I could start the third floor, which is the roof. I suppose that I could do that while I wait. And I've got other projects I could do, so I'll stay busy. I did permanently mount the cat over here. This is gonna jut out. It's gonna have like a window that comes out here. The same thing back here. It's like a little corner looking thing. But anyway, the cat will be able to be up there on the roof. I think the purple with the orange is going to look great, better than the red did down on the bottom. I'm not unhappy with the red, but you know, I think it matched well with the orange, but from a Halloween theme, I guess is probably not. I thought it looked regal. Probably stick with green furniture here because the green will set off nicely from the purple, just like it did on the first floor. Donnie, I think that is about the biggest impatient we have ever had. Yeah. Like Don and I said, we cannot believe that the deer haven't come and ate this. Right.
Yeah. They must be scared of it. It's
so if
big.
We come out one morning and it's gone, we will not be surprised. We just
got a whole summer out of it.
We won't. Yeah, it's been, you know, that's about not more than $4 worth of impatience. Right. I don't know. It's really was just, yeah. Johnny and I are headed to Taekwondo, and it's getting dark so early now. My goodness. Tomorrow we'll be back on the road to downtown Raleigh. That 5:30 alarm is going to be rough. I'm in Walmart, and there are a lot of new toys to put out, and it looks like they're almost all Barbie stuff. I don't see any Hot Wheels, Mattel cars, nothing. See, Barbie.